Hi friends, welcome to Tanu Tech World. We are back again with another video, and in this video we have developed a very interesting device which is a solar mobile charger. As you can see, it can charge mobile very well. It can be fitted into your bag and it can be used very easily. And here you can see, to make this we need one flexible 10 or 5 watt. This is a 5 watt flexible polycrystalline solar panel. Behind you can see the wire connectors, and this is the panel we are going to use. Next thing we need for this is a DC to DC buck converter of 5 amps rated capacity. Then we are going to need a USB A male to female jack. This you can see, white cable, this we need. And first what we are going to do is we are going to fix, or we are going to connect our module. So this thing is very simple. So we need to connect our DC to DC buck converter with the solar panel. This you can see, this is the DC to DC buck converter. It has two input plus minus and output plus minus ports, and by adjusting the potentiometer, that is the blue potentiometer, we can adjust the voltage, and through female jack we can take the power delivery. So we'll cut according to our desired length, and the female part we'll use, and we'll take out two wires, positive and negative, and connect it to the positive and negative of the out terminal of our DC to DC converter. So the DC to DC converter is irrespective of what voltage it receives from the PV panel. It will output 5 volts, which will be used for mobile charging. So we'll just keep the black and red wires, positive and negative, and cut the other wires later. And now we'll connect it. This is how we are going to connect it. Please watch. And before connecting, we also need a diode, so that the current from the DC to DC converter, from the source here is the solar PV panel, but if we don't give this diode in series with our DC to DC converter, current can also flow back, which can result in current flowing into the solar panels, which can destroy the solar panels and also take away charge from the mobile. So to prevent this, we are keeping this diode in series with the mobile charger. So now it is after connection. So first we need to calibrate our DC to DC converter. For this we need a power supply, and after having a power supply we need a multimeter to check output. So output we have to adjust it to 5 volts by rotating the potentiometer. So here you can see 9 volts, so we'll reduce it. First it will take some time, then it will reduce, and we will have to reduce it to about 5 volts, which is the standard output of a USB. So we'll keep it a little bit higher than 5 volts. So we are keeping it at 5.09 volts, which is okay for this application. So now calibration is complete. Now, so we will proceed with the connection of all the individual components. So the here we have calibrated the DC-DC converter. Now we'll connect the output of the solar panel plus minus to the input of the DC to DC converter. So it's very easy. So you connect plus with plus and minus with minus. Here is how we connect. So connection should be made properly, so that it does not get detached anyways. So the connection in the input side has been made. Now we'll connect the output side. and the output will go to the female adapter. So components are very less, as you can see. Only we need the solar panel, the DC to DC converter, and the USB female jack. So these three components are needed, and also the diode. It's a very small component. So output also, you connect the plus to the plus of the USB female jack and minus to the minus. So it's very easy. So now we are going to test it. We're going to check if the connections are working, and if this device, and if the solar powered device can operate a load. So here our load is 1 watt LED. So this is a 1 watt LED. We'll connect it to the USB of this, and we'll check whether the solar light, the irradiance that falls on the solar PV panels, can power this light. So if this light operates, or if this light glows, then we'll know that yes, our system is working fine. So later we'll check it through mobile also. So as you can see, just simply connect as you would connect your mobile. We are connecting the load. So you can see when the solar panel gets in front of the light, when you project it in front of light, and then our load, which is the LED, it glows. So you can see as soon as it is turned off, and as soon as we rotate it, there is no light falling onto the solar panel. So of course there is no light at the output. And as soon as there is some light even on the solar PV panel, actually we have a setup in which we can control the light, and so you don't need that. You just follow the connections, you just calibrate it, and then it will work fine. So now what we are going to do is we are going to enclose the DC to DC converter in a box, so which can protect it from the weather. So that if you are going with it in trekking, so we are going for trekking, and you are keeping this solar panel outside, you're attaching it into your bag, outside of your bag, so it will not be a problem because this is encapsulated in this enclosure. So enclosure is mandatory for this. So we are using a very simple thing. This is a Tic Tac box. We have purchased it. So in Tic Tac cost 10 rupees, and we have kept this box for future purpose, and what better to apply it for this solar charger. So now what we are going to do is we are going to remove. We have removed the adapter which comes with the solar panel, and then we are going to connect the output terminals of the solar panel directly to our DC-DC converter without any this adapter or this connection box which comes with it. So this will take up less space, and we can also fix our enclosure into on the back side of the solar panel, so that it is compact also, and no unnecessary parts are there. So we need to apply this heat shrink tubing to this, so that all the wiring is not exposed and everything is covered. So we attach it to the back side of the solar panel using this hot glue gun. And now nowadays everybody has a hot glue gun in their homes, and if you don't have, you can buy it. It's about 300 rupees maximum. You can buy it in any online also. And then we are going to seal all the endpoints and nodes, so that no water enters into the circuitry or through the wires, and the wires are not exposed. So we'll seal the box also, the enclosure box we have to seal. And now it's finished, and this is a very good device, especially if you are going trekking. You can take this, you can attach it to the back of your bag, and you can directly connect your phone with it, and it will charge. Another way you can use it is you can keep a power bank inside your bag, and then you can charge the power bank through this solar module, 5 watt solar module. And when you walk, as soon when there is daylight, and you walk, and the power bank or your mobile will get charged from this solar panel. As you can see now, I will show you that actually it's charging my mobile, even though you can see the solar irradiance or the solar intensity is not that much. So this is a cloudy day actually, so still, even if it's a cloudy day, it will charge the mobile. So it's very efficient. This is because we are using a DC-DC converter. And of course, as you can see, this is a USB-C type mobile. I have connected my own cable with it. Now I'm going to connect my mobile and see if it's charging. Yes, it's showing that it is charging. The charging symbol has come. And even in cloudy days, as you can see, the mobile will charge. Yes, it will charge at a very slow rate, but it will charge. And you can imagine that in a very hot day or sunny day, your mobile will charge very good. So maximum output you can get from this is 5 watts, and you can also buy a 10 watt panel which is bigger, and then the output capacity will increase. So as you can see, it's a very good innovation. It's a very good device, and it's very applicable. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.